Hello, Angel. Thank you so much for being here and choosing yourself today. This is a self-love guided meditation to help draw in more love for yourself. I would love if you would support me by subscribing to this channel and giving this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to use some crystals for this guided meditation, I suggest rose quartz is great for self-love. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to get into a comfortable seat wherever you are, or if it's accessible for you, laying down on a couch or a bed, just to make yourself completely relaxed and comfortable. Now to get started, let's take a big deep inhale here through the nose and exhale it out the mouth. 2 more times, just like that. Inhale and exhale out the mouth. Last time, really inhaling here and exhaling, letting everything go, relaxing. Tapping into your own breath here. And letting any thoughts that arise pass by, if any. And if you feel yourself feeling distracted in any way, always coming back to the breath. And being gentle with yourself without any judgment. As you're here with your eyes closed, connecting deeper inside, I want you to imagine a beautiful white light surrounding your whole entire body. Every time you inhale this beautiful white light. And when you exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you down into the core of the earth. Inhaling that white light bigger and brighter into your body, and exhaling, letting it melt into the earth. Now imagine yourself floating right above you, paying attention in your mind's eye to every detail that you see. This is your higher self. And ask your higher self, what can I do to love myself more, to bring more self-love into my life? And while you're connecting to your higher self, imagine a green or pink sphere of light in your heart center space. Connecting to your heart chakra and to your higher self. Listening to all of the wisdom that it has to offer. Now slowly coming back into this space, maybe wiggling your fingers and your toes. Coming back into the physical realm. And when you feel like you're ready and you have arrived, place the palm of your hands flat onto your hearts and take a nice big inhale here. And exhale all the love. Inhale one more time here. And exhale love. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Giving yourself a nice big hug here. Connecting, telling yourself that you love yourself and that you're always here for you. When you feel ready, gently blinking open your eyes, just taking a moment. You can stay here, or you can get up and go about your day, remembering that you are always loved. And when you go about your day, using any affirmation you feel best suits you in this moment, or I can provide this one simple one for you. I love myself unconditionally. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you today. May your heart be filled with all the self-love and abundance that you deserve.